Hello, everyone. Bob Allen of Nortec Global HVAC with a short cooling service tip. This spring, with the majority of people having to stay home due to COVID-19 and with the cooling season fastly approaching us, our industry will surely start receiving those calls of inadequate or failed air conditioning. To increase your value to the consumers and to put more profits in your pockets, we suggest diagnosing the entire HVAC system, remembering that airflow is the most critical component in your diagnosis, and that we should always test airflow first before hooking up your gauges and hoses to that outdoor unit. What we're talking about today is static pressure, total external static pressure. In this diagram you see today, it's a simple example of how the pressure budgets work on a gas furnace with an extended external coil and rated at a TSP of 0.5 inches of water column. TSP is one of the foundations of airflow and should be one of the first readings made while troubleshooting an HVAC system. And the good news is, with the tools we have out there, it only takes about 10 minutes of your time to get those proper measurements. Measuring system static pressure tells us if the blower is operating at excessive pressures that can cause poor performance and possible equipment failures. Manufacturers listed airflow ratings is based on the maximum rated TESP shown in this chart here. Most residential furnaces and air handlers are designed to operate at a maximum of 0.5 inches of water column. When higher than that, the fan is often unable to move the correct amount of airflow in the cooling mode, which will affect system performance. Diagnosing static pressure is straightforward. High static pressure and evidence of low airflow may indicate restrictions in the airstream. I would check for blockages in the ductwork, closed dampers, improper transitions, offsets, or kinked flex duct. The same is often true of low external static pressure and suggests a low fan speed, leaky duct system, or possible missing filters. Both deserve, of course, further diagnosis to determine those airstream issues. And finally, the opportunities out there for you as contractors. Measuring static pressure unlocks the door to the system as a whole and allows you to see the system as its entirely new light, where airflow now becomes visible. It allows your company the ability to prescribe and fix ductwork issues, providing comfort and efficiency to your customers. Only by getting the ductwork operating issues fixed correctly can you assure the system as a whole is operating properly. Remember that equipment is only one component of your system and that ductwork diagnosis should always come into play. What sets you apart from your competition is your ability to provide a value in a complete system diagnosis and a balanced system. Thank you for your time and be safe out there.